Hello guys, today we are enjoying in this place. This is the river bank and we are going to look at how is it looking actually. So I'm going to show you. This is a river and this is Jamuna river maybe. I don't know what is exactly the name of this river. I'm going to show you. This is an amazing place where we are going to enjoy. I am with my friend Aryan and I'm going to show you this place. This is behind me. You are looking at this is very long ridge, bro. This is very long. And you know guys, I came here after standing my bike over the bridge, and now we are going there. So look at that place. I'm going to show you.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait, a first time.
So guys, this is what you are looking at. This is amazing place. This is looking like exactly like the sand. This is looking exactly like sand, guys. This is amazing place. This is looking amazing, guys. This is amazing place, guys. It looks like beach, Marine Drive beach, but I don't think this is Marine Drive. This is like a Marine Drive. So we are enjoying. This is amazing place. This is exactly white color. Wow, that's nice, yeah. Oh no. So we are just enjoying here. This is first time here. I came here. This is my first time. I'm enjoying alongside the river. This is amazing experience that I'm going to have, and I will definitely show you how is this experience. And we are very close to the river bank, and I will show you how is the river going on. And it is very slow. It is very slow because there is no heavy, what to say? There's no heavy air going on here. So there's no wind. This is signing, guys. This is signing. This is amazing. Oh my God. What an experience. I cannot say in words. I cannot say in words how am I feeling now. This is amazing. Look at him. He's enjoying here. He's enjoying by throwing the sand. Wow, it is shining. Like we have put here some stars. वो चमकने वाले स्टार्स होते हैं ना, वो क्या बोलते हैं, shining stars. We like someone has put so many shining stars on the sand. It is looking like that. It is if we would have come in the morning, it would be the enjoyable thing. But we came here. It is after 12 o'clock. So this is not a very good experience I'm going to enjoy here. But if we would have come in the evening time or morning time, so this is like we have gone the Marine Drive like in Mumbai. So this is an amazing experience for me. Frankly speaking, I would have never gone any place like this. So this is a very beautiful experience for me. I'm going to show you. क्या यार, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है यार. ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा साइन कर रहा है, बिल्कुल रेत की तरीके. But it is not exactly like sand, but it is looking like sand. इसमें वो मिट्टी भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिक्स है। या दिस इज़ वेरी फर्टाइल लैंड, दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी मच फर्टाइल लैंड गाइस, वेरी मच. So look at, we are we are on the river bank, guys, river bank. This is the water of this river. This is, I think, Jamuna river or Yamuna. I don't know what is the exactly name of this river, but this is very good looking. This is looking amazing. Oh no, this is looking amazing. No bro, you don't have to go, you don't have to go bro. अंदर गड्ढा हो सकता है. No, don't go please. You cannot see inside the river, you cannot see inside the water, so you should not go there, because maybe you will not be able to swim here. I know, don't be offended, you can swim bro, but we don't have another clothes to wear on. Only because of this reason, guys, we are just going to enjoy the on the boat. This is my second time that I am going to enjoy on the boat, right guys? This is an amazing experience for me. And what are those behind me? If you are unable to look at, these are looking like flags, 2 flags there. Okay, let it be. Guys, this is an amazing experience. I'm going to go.
Hey, you know go.
I'm going in the river. Wow. Amazing. Hello. Bro. We are just calling down that boy which drives the boat, but he's not listening, so we are just crying out. We are just calling out that he's not coming. He thinks that they don't have to go exactly, but we have to visit that place. We just have to go between the rivers so that we can enjoy how the water will look there. We just have to go. Hey bro, this is my friend Aryan, and he also a very good friend. We both came here to enjoy this place. We have to call him, bro.
Hello.
Look at, he's not responding. He's there, the boat is there. I think he's snatching the fishes from the water. I think वो मछलियाँ पकड़ रहा है शायद, maybe. And look at the bridge. Look at the bridge. This is a very long bridge, very long. Look at, this is very long bridge, and this is amazing experience. So we are just going to enjoy by ourselves. We don't need to roam around by boat. We just have to enjoy ourselves. Oh, look at the water. It is shining. Wow, it is shining bro. सच में ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही नया एक्सपीरियंस है, इसलिए हमें बहुत ही आनंद आ रहा है. आई एम नॉट लायर, बट आई एम सेइंग इट ट्रूथ दैट वी आर जस्ट एंजॉयिंग. क्योंकि नदी के किनारे केवल मैं शायद तीसरी बार आ रहा हूँ, और ये बहुत ही मज़ेदार है, बहुत ही एंजॉयबल है. क्योंकि वी जस्ट लाइक नेचुरल ब्यूटी. हु डजंट लाइक नेचुरल ब्यूटी? And look at these are cutting floors. ऑफ द रिवर। ये नदी के द्वारा काटे हुए हैं, बहुत ही सालों का है ये, कई मतलब सैकड़ों सालों का ये इतना ज्यादा रिजल्ट दिख रहा है ना जो आपको घिसा हुआ सीधे, जो बिल्कुल एक कैनियन की तरीके जो रिवर कैनियंस होते हैं ना, उसी तरीके से ये नदी के द्वारा काटा छाटा गया है। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग लाइक कि उसे काट दिया गया हो, इस तरीके से दिख रहा है, बट नो वन हैज कट दैट। सो गाइज ही हैज कम एंड वी आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय ऑन द बोट। Okay, he's calling us, he's calling, so let's go. He's waiting for us, he's waiting, guys. So we are going there for enjoying on the boat. We will just roam around from this side to another side of this river. We are just going to enjoy here and nothing more than that. Look at him, he's Navik, I don't know what to say in English for Navik, if you know what that meant. So we are going there. कितने रुपए लोगे? क्वार्टर वर्क, क्वार्टर तो बता है गाता। तो बहुत ज्यादा है।
15 last. Okay,
He's remaining. He's saying that I need a quarter. I will roam around you guys. कह रहे हैं कि मुझे क्वार्टर चाहिए यदि हम तुम लोगों को घुमाएंगे। क्वार्टर तो 70 रुपये का आता है, वैसे तो 10 रुपीज में ही हम घूम सकते हैं। 20 ले लेना भैया, 20 दे रहे हैं, वैसे 10 रुपए में जाते हो। ओके, वी विल लुक एट अनदर बोट। उन्होंने मना कर दिया यार, बहुत ज्यादा रुपए रहे, 70 रुपये का क्वार्टर आता है, 35 रुपए देंगे घूमने के लिए। Look at bro, he's an amazing guy.
Look at sun.
Oh my god, look at very much. It is too much sunlight there, guys. So we are just going to stop this vlog. So we have enjoyed, and after that I will show you everything that we are enjoying. This is amazing experience for us to do. We are just enjoying, bro, guys. So please, okay, if you like it, then please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos. And guys, if you like this video, please comment how is the video, and you also enjoy in these types of places, in the natural beauty places. If you enjoy, then definitely comment on my video and share to all your friends so that they can also watch my videos and cut. So let's stop the video and we will meet in another video. Have a good day. Bye bye.